Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Rheem water heater shows a failed ignition lockout, it means the system tried to ignite but couldn't detect a proper flame, so it shut itself down for safety. This can leave you without hot water and wondering if something serious has gone wrong. In reality, this issue is often triggered by simple factors like gas supply interruptions, dirty components, or a temporary system fault. The heater locks out to prevent unsafe operation, but once the cause is addressed, it can be reset and brought back to normal. Instead of replacing parts immediately, going through a few specific checks can solve the problem quickly. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix a Rheem water heater ignition lockout, step by step. Try these. Step 1. Check that the gas supply valve is fully open. Step 2. Turn off the heater and disconnect power. Step 3. Wait a few minutes to clear the lockout condition. Step 4. Inspect and clean the burner or ignition area. Step 5. Restore power and reset the water heater system. Step 6. Turn on hot water and confirm the unit ignites properly.